Hello everyone, my name is Angie Juliana Romero. I am 21 years old. I live in the city of Tuluá, but a bit born in the city of Villavicencio. I work in the system department as a leader in digital culture. I am a student on social communication program. I am single. I love to dance and exercise. Today I will tell you about a travel experience and I will give you some recommendations. In the last holidays I went to Medellin in the Christmas season. I am staying here today and went with my boyfriend. Medellin has many beautiful places, but like months above the trip was a beautiful place that had a kind lake and some very colorful houses that looked like movies. The climate of Medellin is usually a bit sunny, but of the day is a can be rising between 4:15 after our sun there is wind and so freezing. Now I will give you some recommendations. It is recommended that people wear sunglasses and comfortable clothes. It is recommended that they have some money to buy it. It is necessary that you always keep an eye on staggers. It's important alone in the city if they do not know the place. It is recommended that you are very keen. It is necessary that you have the courage to have a good time. It is important that you like Paisa gastronomy. It is important that you want to call the nice things of a nice place, Medellin. As additional recommendations, people should go to Guatapé in Medellin. People should not be alone in the Tombstones Cross. Thanks for your attention.